channel. Today we are going to make Pichi Pichi. Let's get started. The ingredients are 2 cups of grated cassava. We're using frozen cassava, so no need to squeeze out the liquids. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1 3/4 cups of water. 1 teaspoon of lye water. Drops of food coloring, but this is only optional. 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese for topping. First, in a bowl, combine grated cassava, water, sugar, and lye water. Then mix thoroughly. Divide the mixture in 3 batches, then add the food coloring. Brush some butter to the molds. Fill the molds about 3/4 full. Arrange the filled molds in a steamer and steam for about 20 to 30 minutes or until they become translucent. It's done! Let's sprinkle the top with cheese. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more updates from our channel. Thank you. Bye.